Good day, guys. On this video, we will learn how to generate an income statement in SAP. The first step is to click on the Financials menu of SAP. After that, it will expand, and we need to click now the subfolder named Financial Reports. After clicking, it will expand again and show the Financial subfolder. After clicking again, it will now show the Profit and Loss Statement subfolder, which we need to generate the income statement report. We will now input the needed parameters to generate the report. On this example, we will be generating an income statement for the period starting January 1st, 2021 to December 31st, 2021. This can be done by inputting the relevant details on these fields. There is an option whether we want to generate the report either annual, per quarter, per month, or other periods. There are other options if we want to add the journal vouchers in the report. Journal vouchers are those entries which are not posted yet to the permanent file. If we are already fine with the parameters, we can now generate the financial statements by clicking the OK button. Here we are now on the financial statements. As you can see, it is classified into many groupings. To generate the high-level view of the income statement, we can change the level of the report to level 1 or other levels. Now, if we want to see the amounts for each general ledger accounts, we can click on higher levels. We can now hide the titles so we can generate a clean data which is needed for easier review and analysis. The file can now be exported to Excel file by clicking the Excel button at the top. We can choose our preferred Excel outputs by clicking on the next steps. There is an option to export the GL account code and name to the same or a separated column. For easier analysis, it is preferred to click the separated option. We can now choose the folder where we want to save the file in our computer. Of course, we can change the file type to Excel for easier editing later. Alright, we will be naming it to Profit and Loss Statement for 2021 V1 and then saving it now to the Documents folder. And then finally, we have the needed income statement report. Thank you.